Hi guys, it's Mrs. Boone here, and I am going to play a letter and sound game with you. I first need you to grab out your magnetic board with all of your letters, and I need you to slide all of your letters off. You can sort them by consonants or vowels or however you'd like to, but get ready because I'm going to give you a sound, and you have to find the letter like a detective and place it on the board where it needs to go. Ready? All right, here we go. This is what your board should look like now. All right, let's be detectives. Find me the letter that makes this sound. T, t, t. Did you find it? I found it. It's the letter T. T, top, t. Now place it on your board. If you're having trouble finding out where that letter goes, you can always sing your alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. There you go. Place it right on your board. All right, the next letter. Find me the letter that makes this sound. B, B, B. Where's that letter? Here it is. It's the letter B. B, bat, B. Place it on your board. Here's the next one. Find me the letter that makes this sound. Find that letter. I found it. It's the letter F. F, fun, F. Place it on your board. Great job. All right, find me the letter that makes this sound. Mm. Remember, this is a tricky one because if yours get mixed up, it could look like this. Oh, but it's not a vowel, it's a consonant. So you're looking for a yellow letter N. N, nut, N. It goes right next door to your letter M. N, nut, N. Find me the letter that makes this sound. I found it. Letter M. M, man, Place it on your board. Great job. All right, now we're looking for a vowel. A vowel is going to be a pink letter, so look really closely. Find me the letter that makes this sound. I, I, I. What letter makes that sound? I, I, I. Here it is. It's the letter I. I, da, I, da, I, I, I. Right there. Great job. All right, here comes another vowel. Look for the pink ones. Find me the letter that makes this sound. Ah. Here's a clue. My finger went up. What letter is that? You're right. It's the letter U. U up. Place it on your board. All right. Find me the letter that makes this sound. What? You knew that there were two letters that make that sound? Oh, great. Find me the letter that makes this sound. C, cat. There we go. That's the letter C. What's the other letter that makes that same sound? K, you're right. We'll look for that letter later. Find me a vowel. Look for the pink ones. Find me the vowel that makes this sound. Ah. You found it? O, octopus, ah. Place it on your board. Great job. Here comes another vowel. Find me the letter that makes this sound. Ah. There it is. Great job. It's a fancy letter A. A, apple, A. And place it on your board. Great job. All right. Now find me the letter that makes this sound. Find me the letter G. This one's the funky G with lots of loops and curves. G, game, G. Good job. Place it on your board. Great job. Oh, you're working so hard. I love it. Find me the letter that makes this sound. D, D, D. Excellent. Yeah. It's the letter D. D, dog, D, D, D. Place it on your board. There we go. Good job. All right, find me the letter that makes this sound. S. Good job. Letter S. S, snake. S. Place it on your board. Great job. All right, we're looking for our very last vowel. There are 5 of them, and we have one more to find. Find me the letter that makes this sound. Eh, 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 eh. What letter makes that sound? E, you're right. E, ed, eh, 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 eh. Great job. Whoa, looky there. Our whole first row is full. Great job. Find me the letter that makes this sound. What letter makes that sound? Great job. R, rat, Place it on your board. Now listen carefully. This next letter is an air sound. Find me the letter that makes this sound. P, P. What letter makes the P sound? You're right. P, pan, P. Place it on your board. Great job. Find me the letter that makes this sound. J, J. You're right. J, oh, there we go. J, jug, J. Place it on your board. Good work. All right. Find me the letter that makes this sound. Oh, my tongue is touching the back of my top teeth. Oh, good job. Oh, that was an easy one to find, right? L, lamp, oh. Great job. Oh, wow. You're doing so great. Just a few more. Now here comes another air letter. Find me the letter that makes this sound. Great job. It's the letter H. H, hat. Place it on your board. Wonderful. Great job, guys. Here comes that other letter that makes the sound. Can you find it? Look hard. Find me that letter. There it is. K, kite. Great job. Place it on your board. Look, 2 rows, all full. Almost done. Find me the letter that makes this sound. Excellent. V, van, V. Place it on your board. Good. Find me the letter that makes this sound. You're right. W, wind, Good job. And place it on your board. Wonderful. All right, 4 more letters. You can do it. Find me the letter that makes this sound. Y. Yes, Y. Y, yellow, Y. And place it on your board. Find me the letter that makes this sound. X. X. Good job. It's that letter X. F, X, fox, X. Good job. And place it on your board. Here comes your next one. This one has 2 letters on it. That was such a big hint. Find me the letters that make this sound. Qu, qu. You're right. Q-U, queen, qu. And place it on your board. Oh man, this is the hardest one yet. There's only one left. Find me the letter that makes this sound. Zzz. You're right. It's the letter Z. There's only one more place right here. Great job. You did a wonderful, wonderful job. Thanks for practicing your letters and sounds with me today.